Good morning guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today it is Tuesday and I just have like a home study slash YouTube day. So it is now about 9:30. I woke up at 6 and I spent about an hour just doing like my Bible time, my Jesus time, and then I moved straight on to study at 7. So from 7 to 9 I did study, then I took a break for breakfast and now I'm here about to start studying again. So I'm going to spend the next hour and a half to 2 hours studying, and then I'm going to move on to some YouTube work, and I'm planning to film probably only one video today. I would love to film more than one, but we'll see how we go. So I've set aside about 2 hours to do filming, but that also includes getting ready to film and like the setup and the pack up. And then I've set aside about 3 hours to start editing that video, but I probably won't finish that in that 3 hours. I'll definitely need some more time for that, but at least I'll get the rough cut and stuff done. And then after that, I'll move back to studying for a couple hours before heading to dinner at my parents' house for my family dinner, and then heading to the gym with Giorgio. That's my day. It's not like busy, but I have a bunch of stuff I want to get done. Oh, I need to put my clothes in the wash as well. But it's not very interesting, but you guys always ask to see all my uni stuff and I feel like it's the most boring thing ever, but here we go. So I just finished revising this lecture. It's now almost 11, so I'm going to clean up this desk area and then do my makeup so I can film, because that is next on the to-do list. Now I'm gonna try and find a place to film. I'm filming a clothing haul and I really enjoy filming sit down videos, but they're very difficult in this house because the lighting is just not the best. Exhibit A. I need to find a place that's like, this could work. What I usually do is find the good lighting and then literally rearrange the space behind it to make it look like what I want it to look like. So I could do like that. My bed is not made right now. Let's see, let's put you guys on the tripod and we'll see what we can come up with. Wow, this is great quality content. I think I am going to film on this camera though, because I've been filming on my big camera and it's been turning out terribly and I don't know why. I can't believe I'm talking to you guys while I'm setting up my tripod. I've already filmed this video, but I didn't like how it turned out, so now I'm filming it again. No. That could be cute if the TV wasn't so annoying in the background. Obviously I would make my bed. Well, I will make my bed. And I could sit like this. But the TV is just so ugly, you know? So I could do that. And I think I could put my palm there. But the photos also kind of look a little bit awkward unless I sit kind of like on the edge of them. Put my palm here, make my bed. That might actually work. I just hate that the walls are this gross beige color, but we're renting, so we can't really change that. Let's just say I refuse to move into another house that has beige walls unless I can paint them white, because it just makes lighting so difficult. Let's fix this. Great, that is sorted. Let's film. So I just finished filming. I curled my hair a little bit. It's actually kind of funny because at the back it's not curled at all, like it's dead straight. So if I were to go out like this, I mean, it wouldn't look that funny, but do you know what I mean? I'll show you what my room looks like after filming. Yes. That is the current situation, but I'm so hungry. It's 1 p.m, so I'm gonna make myself some lunch. Well, I am making myself some lunch. Making myself a little pizza with a wrap as a base, but I'm gonna eat this once it's cooked. Then I'm going to do some like housework stuff, and then I'm gonna start editing that video, and then at 4 I'm gonna switch back over to uni work, so. Hello? People are asking for more of you in the videos. I think they were mad because you weren't in the last one when we were all hanging out. Sorry, she had better plans. I've been editing for the past couple of hours and now I'm taking a break and I'm gonna make some muffins, some banana muffins, because I've been craving them and I found a bit of a healthier recipe on Pinterest, so it is not as bad as it would be if I made normal ones or went and bought them. Hopefully, at least. That's what I'm telling myself. The recipe I'm using doesn't use any like refined sugar or anything like that, so it's gonna be a lot better for me, hopefully. Hopefully it still tastes good. I haven't tried it before, but I'm gonna grab my AirPods so that I can listen to either a YouTube video. I think Sarah's Day just uploaded. Yeah, I might watch that while I make them, and maybe I'll vlog a little bit for you guys too and let you know how they taste. muffins just came out of the oven. They are warm and fresh, and I'm going to try it and see if it's good. So good. I would say they're not as fluffy as normal muffins, but like the taste is really good. I'm now back at my study, and I'm gonna do some study for the next about an hour or a little bit over an hour, and then I have to head to my parents' house, and then I'm going to the gym after that. So I'm just gonna make the most of the time that I have left. I did get a bunch of editing done, but I still need to do all of the final touches. So the whole rough cut is done, which is amazing. And then tomorrow I'll continue editing that, or even tonight when I get home. I'll probably go to bed when I come home from the gym tonight. If you guys are wondering, this is how I've been studying. So this is the subject that I am studying for. It's my stats subject. So I have all of the weeks of content down the side. Well, I haven't got all of them yet because I haven't finished studying, but so far. And basically I write handwritten notes as well as I write notes on all of the lecture slides. This one doesn't have a lot because it was like the first week. Well, now it has a bit more, but at the start it was just admin stuff. So I write these during the semester, and then usually at the end of the semester I write notes like this. I also write notes like this during the semester, but I end up rewriting things at the end of semester, and then I go through and write flashcards. So I haven't gotten to that stage yet. This is what I'm going to be doing for now, but I need to continue to write notes, as you guys can see that I've already started doing. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. I just finished studying. That's so hard to say. Finished studying for the day, and I got changed into a gym outfit, but I don't think I'll vlog anything else tonight because the workout that we're planning to do is the same that I showed you guys in my last vlog where I filmed our workout, so there wouldn't be any point showing you guys. And then I'm just gonna come home and go to bed, or like shower and then go to bed. So I'll just pick up this vlog again tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is Friday today. I haven't vlogged for the past 2 days I think. On Wednesday I literally woke up, worked out, studied, ate, went to bed. And then on Thursday I basically worked all day, and then I went out with the girls, and then I went and saw my boyfriend. So I probably could have vlogged a little bit of that, but I just didn't. And today I have another full study day. I woke up at 5:30, and then from 6 to 7 I just did my normal morning routine, which is just getting ready for the day, reading my Bible, planning out my day, and then I started studying at 7. It's now almost 12 and I'm about to go do some grocery shopping because I need some food, just random stuff like bread and cheese and muesli. But I'm gonna go grab that and then come home, have lunch, and then get back into study. But you guys seem to enjoy this. I don't know why, but it's so boring to me, and I don't know why you want to see me studying, but apparently you guys enjoy it, so I'm gonna vlog it for you guys. Outfit of the day featuring my messy room that I need to clean up. I've got this jumper from Supre, jeans from Big W, and my new Nike Air Force Ones. I finally caved. I've been wanting them for such a long time. I'm gonna film a haul soon with actually all of these items, but that's my outfit. Let's go. Here's my little haul. I got bread. I didn't get the one that I usually get because I couldn't see it. I'm also going to try out these sandwich thins. I've heard a few people really rave about them and they look good, so I'm going to try them out. I also got some strawberries, some bananas. I only got 2 because I still have some left from this week just passed. Some grated cheese and some muesli. Good stuff. It is now 4 p.m. and my brain is dead. It is really done for the day, I think. I've gone through about 6 to 8 hours worth of lecture material today, so you can imagine why my brain is dead, and that's all stats. I've also written hours worth of notes, so I think it's time for a break. Hello friends, it is now Sunday and I feel like this vlog is just so mumble jumble, but hopefully you guys are enjoying it anyway. This morning I studied for pretty much the whole morning, and then I was like, I am sick of this, I am done, I am getting out of the house. So Giorgio and I went to Kmart and I picked up a shelf that I'm gonna build because I just realized that I really need a shelf just to store like random things like books and little things that I just needed, and I had my eye on this one from Kmart, so we went and did that. Got some coffee. I dropped her off to have lunch with her brother, and then her brother's gonna take her to her grandma's house, and then I'm gonna pick her up from her grandma's house, go to church, bring her home. She's just got Ubers all day today. It's incredible, but it just happened that it would work out that way really well. And then also from Kmart I just picked up this little box which comes with another one that's like the exact same but smaller inside of it, and I thought I would vlog doing this. We'll see how easy it is to build this shelf. Georgia Woodford built a Kmart shelf in her vlog. I think it was a Kmart one. Built something in her vlog a little while ago, and she said it was supposed to take like half an hour and took them like 3 hours, and so I'm really hoping that doesn't happen. I've built a lot of IKEA furniture in my life, so I'm hoping it will be kind of similar. So we'll see how we go. Let's have some fun. I just finished building it, yay. I'm gonna try and put it over in this corner because there's kind of like nothing here right now, so we'll see if it fits. It actually fits so perfect here. I am in shock, very happy about that. And it took me about 45-50 minutes to build it, which isn't ridiculous, so that is kind of good. Now I'm just going to decorate it, but I thought I'd show you guys the before. Now I'm gonna decorate it. How exciting. So this is the final decor situation. To be honest, it's probably not final. I'll probably change it, but for now this is it. I've got the hiccups. I'll try and run through where everything is from if you guys are interested, but I'll go pretty quick. Frame is from Kmart. I wrote the little thing on a piece of paper inside. That is a gift from my boyfriend's family. That is thrifted with a little Snow Queen propagation. Box is from Kmart. Plant is a golden pothos in a Kmart pot. Frame was a gift. Little elephant was a gift from my family. And then this basket was thrifted. This box from Kmart. Books from various places. And the little fake plant was a gift as well. So that is a little situation right now. I am really excited for my pothos to grow all the way down. I think that'll be so fun. Woohoo! I'm now gonna go get ready for church and then probably do a bit more, like an hour or so of study before heading off to church. So that's what's going on right now. Finishing off my coffee right now. So I forgot to end the vlog once again, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.